You want to be financially free, but every time money comes into your account, it disappears like your ex-love. Everyone talks about money goals, but most people are financially goalless. A financial strategy is like the GPS of your money journey. Your salary is not the problem, guys. It is what you do with what you earn after your payday. I tell you for free, guys, if you are spending everything you work for every time, you are not living, you are leaking. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your salary from a survival tool to a freedom machine, even if you don't earn much. So if this is your first time coming to this channel, make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell, because there's so much that is packed for you. I used to be a banker and I know how it was for me. So click on the subscriber button, you will learn a lot. Here is the average Nigerian salary pattern, and this is also global. You earn, you spend, you wait, you borrow, you repeat. This is the salary rat race. The only way out is to stop seeing your salary as a goal, but start seeing your salary as a seed capital for financial freedom. I never knew that, guys. My salary between 2008 to 2013, they started paying me 64,000 naira. Then I moved from 64,000 naira to 114,000 naira. The same me, my friend bought 2 land in that 5 years. The same me, I did not buy anything in that 5 years. Why? I was seeing it as what? As a goal. I was not seeing it as a financial freedom tool. It is a tool. It is a machine. You are a banker. You are a salary earner. As you do all of this and you earn monthly, structure your income that it will be channeled into your financial freedom machine model, and you'll be good to go. I tell you, there's more to teach. So the first thing you have to do is to create a salary structure. And if you have watched my video on salary structure, you understand I'm big at it. I expect you to have like 10% for savings, 10% for tithe and zakah if you're a Muslim, 30% for investment, and 50% for expenditure. Now, I like mine to be plain. You see, I don't like it to be an assumption thing. I want to do a breakdown and know where the money is going to fully. When you follow this structure, the next thing is, after you have built the structure, you can now begin to scale up. Because in the real sense, if you cannot control your salary, you cannot control millions. You have to control that salary now, so that when million comes and when you grow into it, you can control that millions. So the second model after you have the structure is to make sure you build a backbone income stream. Yes, I tell you. You know, I used to say that the damage you're causing to your life is not what you do between your 9 to 5, but what you do between your 5 to 9. As you make income and you put aside some money into your savings account, don't just put those money in savings. Ask yourself, what can I buy and I can put some profit margin on? I tell you, start doing it. These were some of the things I did not do when I was working in the bank. You see, while I was working in the bank, there were people who were making cool money. I had a guy that always brings snacks, to the office, and people buy from him. So I wasn't doing all of that because, banker, it was entering my head. So you need to know that, you see, it is a passage. You need to pass through that phase. While you're in that phase, you need to have backbone, income stream. What can you buy? You can buy chargers, you can resell phones, you can buy items, put your margin, make profit. You see, there's so many things you can do, and you don't need to leave your office. Just that when you get an order during your break time, 12 and 1, depending on where you work, you get your logistics partner or you get a logistic company to do your delivery for you. You can be making a cool money of 100,000 naira every month or 500,000 naira every month, depending on the item you are selling. And that will not hinder what you do between your 8 to 5. You must think outside the box. As you are saving, don't entirely put it there for unforeseen circumstances. Start putting in plan into that backbone income. Your salary becomes a capital source, not a cash flow. As a salary earner, your salary is a capital source. It is not a what? A cash flow. So don't see it as cash flow that it will come next month. As the money is coming in, what can I buy that I can put some margin in and people can buy from me? It doesn't need to be what you are even doing. Like my video editor behind now. I don't expect him to say he wants to go and buy camera and put margin because the demand is not much. You have to leverage on what type of product has demand that you can put your margin on and begin to grow that your capital. Now, because salary is not cash flow, it is a capital source. Number 3, after there is structure and you have an income stream you have added, you want to automate your freedom. You need to automate your freedom. You must not leave your wealth into the willpower that you have. Leave your wealth into a system. When you leave it into a system, your freedom is guaranteed. Not that today you are not happy, tomorrow your emotion is high, next tomorrow you are charged. No, put it into a system. Automate your savings, automate your investment, automate your debts, automate a lot of things that has to do with what you do with money. Automate it. Make it a system so that you will not complain and you will not fall by the wayside to the hands of distraction. If it is automated, I tell you, it becomes consistent. And if it is consistent, it beats income when it comes to wealth building. You see, all of this is important. So I want you to take your time and ask yourself, what do I need to start doing as a salary earner now? From what you have learned in this video, I want you to stop right now, comment below what you want to start doing with your salary every single month. Let your salary be a freedom machine, not just a survival tool. Are you ready to flip your salary into this framework? I would like to invite you for our Financial Freedom Awakening Challenge. Now, this is not compulsory for you. It is only necessary if you want to take action. In this particular training, I'm going to be teaching you how to build more income stream, how to invest, how to create budget, and how to build legacy. It's a 5 days daily hands-on workshop. So if you are interested, click on the link in the description to register to join the next cohort. My name is Mayowa Owolabi, and I'm glad I've been able to add value to you. Don't forget, if this is your first time, click on the subscriber button and on the notification bell. And a lot of videos, educational materials will always be uploaded to this channel, and you don't want to miss it at all. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out, guys.